Good evening, everyone. How are you all? I hope you all safe in your homes, following the rules and regulations to fight against the COVID-19 virus. Hello, everyone. I'm Nishtha Mehtolia. I'm from KV Mukteshwar. Right now, I'm in class 11th, and today in this video, I'm going to talk about a very essential and motivational point. That is water. What is water? Why it is needed? And how can we conserve it? So, guys, let's take a look of it. Water is very essential not only for the natural cycle but also for the biological cycles that are going inside our body. But today is a sad reality of this world is that we all are facing the crisis of water. Basically the scarcity of fresh and pure water. And that is just because of our wastage, what we are doing with our natural resources. It doesn't mean that nature doesn't give us. It gives us a lot. It gives us so that it is enough to fulfill everyone's need. But it is not enough to fill anyone's need. So here you can take a look. There are some trenches in the barren ground. These trenches are basically made for the rainwater storing. Yes, rainwater harvesting is an awesome exchange for the problem of scarcity of water. It is a good method to store the water coming from the rain. Rainwater harvesting is a harvest system in which we can store the water coming out of the clouds into different trenches or into different pipelines so that these water can next time be used for irrigation and drainage purpose. As you can see, these barren fields are completely filled with trenches, and there is some trenches are really filled with water, and that is rainwater. As you can see now, these trenches will absorb these water so that it will not only recharge the underground level water but also can helpful to carry out this water through the pipelines into some big tanks, ponds, or etc. There we can store these water and also use it for next time for drainage, irrigation, and domestic purpose. Along with these trenches, you can easily transport the water not from only metal pipes or any pipeline. Though this, as you can see, the water can easily transported through a pipeline. And now that rainwater could easily stored in different ponds, tanks, etc. and could be used for further uses. As the water is transported from those pipelines, it could be stored in ponds like these ponds or any tanks made up of plastic and concrete. Here you can see the water which has been filled in the trenches is easily transported through pipelines and the whole pond is filled with rainwater. Yes, it is rainwater. The water which was coming from rain is stored here and can now easily be used. As you can see, here is another pipeline going to upside. By this pipeline, we can use it in many different fields, like for farming, for domestic purpose, and for irrigation methods. So hey guys, have a look to my farmhouse. As far as your eye can go, you can see only greenery. These beautiful green plants, beautiful vegetables, absolutely healthy and organic. Yes, the whole farmhouse would have been irrigated because of the rainwater harvesting system. The pond I had showed you was filled of rainwater and we were transporting that rainwater upside to our farmhouse so that we can irrigate it, and here's the result. You can see the farmhouse is completely filled with beautiful and healthy vegetables. So these are some of the live examples and live examples of rainwater harvesting system. As you can see, these beautiful cauliflowers, these all are being well irrigated with rainwater harvesting system. This is the good result of the thing we have done. Here are some lady fingers, as you can see. These are such a pretty and beautiful. Guys, rainwater is a very good and affordable method we all can use. It not just saves water but saves money and expenditures of different type of gadgets we all buy for the irrigation. So rainwater also balance the environment. As you can see, this beautiful result is just because of the irrigation, and that is because of rainwater system. So at last I just want to say Please, please, please save our natural resources, because as we will live, so we want these natural resources. No one can know, no one will know that how will be the future is, but at least we can try to make it a better one. So guys, please follow this video, please follow this message. Use the rainwater harvesting system in your homes, in your neighbors. Tell them, aware them. At last I want to say you, please stay at home, please stay safe, follow all the guidelines to fight against this deadly virus, and stay home, stay safe. Jai Hind. Thank you.